Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at a simple but incredibly telling indicator, the last tweet date. It shows you when a project last posted on X, and trust me, it says a lot more than you think. So, what is it? When we go on a specific project like Solana and on the community score, if we scroll down, we can see here the last tweet on X. The last tweet indicator simply displays the date of a project's most recent post on X, and CryptoScores use a color-coded system so you can read it at a glance. Green means recent activity, and the further back the last post, the more the colors shift toward red. So why does this matter? Because in crypto, communication is everything. A serious project posts regularly, updates, announcement, community engagement. If a project hasn't tweeted in roughly 3 days or more, that's a professional red flag. It means the team isn't actively communicating with its audience. And if they're not talking to their community, what else are they not doing? For example, for Solana, we can see the last tweet is today. So green. Active, engaged, consistently building in public, exactly what you want to see. But now, if we compare that to Flick, the last tweet was January 29th. That's over 5 weeks of complete silence. And this is a project with over 100,000 followers. The colors tells you immediately something is off. When a project goes quiet like that, it can mean the team has moved on, they've lost focus, or in the worst case, they have essentially abandoned the project. And this is really what makes these indicators so valuable. It lets you see at a glance which projects are still actively engaging with their community, which team keep showing up and building no matter where we are in the market cycle, bull or bear. And on the other side, you can instantly spot the projects that have gone silent, the ones that haven't posted in weeks and have, in a way, given up on the audience. So next time you are looking at a project on CryptoScore.com, don't just check the numbers. Check the last tweet, because the best project in the world means nothing if the team have stopped showing up. Find it all on CryptoScore.com, and we will see you in the next one.